Male versus female German Shepherd. Which is right for you? In this video, we'll compare and contrast the male versus female German Shepherd. We're going to look at the differences between the two so you can make the best decision for you and your family. The German Shepherd is one of the most popular dogs in the world, and for good reason. They are incredibly intelligent, loyal, and protective dogs that can make a great addition to any home. We'll do this by looking at 5 different categories. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to make the right decision for you and your family. The German Shepherd is one of the most popular dogs because of its intelligence, loyalty, and protective nature. These traits make them excellent companions and working dogs, admired by families and professionals alike. So what's the difference between the male and the female? While both share the same breed characteristics, their personalities can differ significantly. Well, the male is more dominant, possessive, and proud. This can be seen in his confident stance and the way he carries himself. You will see this in how he walks, how he holds himself, and how he interacts with other dogs. Males often take on a leadership role, asserting their dominance in various situations. The female, on the other hand, is more affectionate and gentle. She tends to be more nurturing and caring, often forming strong bonds with her family members. She wants to please you and be by your side, always seeking your approval and affection. This makes her an excellent companion for those looking for a more emotionally connected pet. Males are territorial of their home, yard, and property. They have a strong instinct to protect their domain and will often patrol their territory to ensure its safety. They want to make sure that everyone knows this is their place. This territorial behavior can be beneficial for security but may require proper training to manage. Females are less possessive of their belongings and tend to get along well with their handlers and people in general. They are more likely to share and be cooperative in social settings. They tend to be more protective of humans rather than things. This makes them excellent family dogs, especially around children, as they are naturally watchful and caring. However, female German Shepherds can become too dependent, which could result in jealousy and lashing out if they feel neglected or threatened. It's important to balance affection with independence. This is why it's important to establish yourself as the pack leader early on. Consistent training and clear boundaries will help manage their behavior and ensure they understand their role in the family. In general, their personalities are all dependent on how you train them early on. Early socialization and training are crucial in shaping a well-rounded and obedient dog. These dogs are very smart, very protective, and eager to please. Their intelligence makes them quick learners, and their protective nature ensures they are always looking out for their loved ones. But the male is more dominant and possessive, whereas the female is most interested in pleasing its owner. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right dog for your lifestyle. Remember, a dog's personality is not predetermined. While breed characteristics play a role, individual personality is shaped by experiences and training. It's up to you, the owner, to train them and socialize them properly. Providing a variety of experiences and consistent training will help your German Shepherd become a well-adjusted adult. A well-trained male or female German Shepherd will be a loyal and loving companion for years to come. Their devotion and intelligence make them one of the best breeds for those willing to invest the time and effort into their upbringing. Even though a male German Shepherd likes every member of its family, he prefers bonding with his handler who spends the most time with him. He is loyal to his pack, but he will have a special bond with the person who leads him. For a female, she bonds not only with her handler, but also with the entire family, and even tolerates outsiders. She is more accepting of everyone and wants to be friends with everyone. Females are loving and gentle with children, but a male German Shepherd is playful with children, which sometimes can hurt them if not controlled or trained. It's important to supervise any interaction between dogs and children, no matter the breed. Both of these dogs can be socialized exactly how you want them, safe and effective if done correctly early on. That is why the German Shepherd is so popular. Socialization is key to having a well-rounded dog. Expose them to different people, places, and experiences when they are puppies. If you train them correctly early, you will have the exact dog that you want: safe, loving, smart, and protective. Since male German Shepherds are proud, it can be more challenging to train them than their female counterparts. Their strong-willed nature often requires a more strategic approach to training. They need a firm hand and consistent leadership. Establishing yourself as the alpha is crucial to gain their respect and obedience. However, they excel more when they are used as police dogs because they are good at apprehending criminals. Their physical strength and bravery make them ideal for high-stakes situations. Their dominance and drive make them suitable for this kind of work. They thrive in environments where their natural instincts are put to good use. Female German Shepherds mature early, so they have the edge on males in terms of learning tasks. Their early maturity allows them to grasp commands and routines more quickly. They are eager to please and quick learners. This eagerness often translates into a more cooperative attitude during training sessions. Females are more sensitive and more focused, so they excel in agility training because they are faster and smaller. Their smaller size and nimbleness give them an advantage in navigating complex courses. They are agile and responsive to commands. This responsiveness makes them excellent candidates for competitive sports and obedience trials. However, they can be easily distracted during training when they are in heat unless neutered. This hormonal distraction can significantly impact their focus and performance. This is something to keep in mind if you are not planning to breed your female German Shepherd. Spaying can help mitigate these distractions and make training more effective. Males can be easily distracted during training as well when they sense a female in heat. Their strong sense of smell can lead to a lack of concentration. Hormones can be a powerful distraction for both sexes. It's important to manage these distractions to maintain a productive training environment. Both of these dogs need to be trained. Despite their differences, both male and female German Shepherds require consistent and dedicated training. The German Shepherd wants to please you and is a working dog that is ready to go. Their loyalty and work ethic make them excellent companions and protectors. Training should be consistent, firm, and fair. Establishing clear rules and expectations helps in building a strong bond with your dog. Use positive reinforcement techniques and be patient. Rewarding good behavior with treats and praise encourages them to repeat those actions. So if you train a male, just know that they are proud and sometimes stubborn. Patience and persistence are key to overcoming their stubborn streak. If you train the female, notice that she is sensitive and will take to positive reinforcement rather than negative. Gentle encouragement and rewards will yield the best results with female German Shepherds. Understanding these differences can help you tailor your training approach to suit the unique needs of your German Shepherd, ensuring a harmonious and effective training experience. Whether male or female, with the right training, your German Shepherd can become a well-behaved, loyal, and loving member of your family. Let's start with the obvious difference. Males are masculine, while females are feminine with delicate and more refined features. This is apparent in their overall build and facial features. The male German Shepherd often has a more rugged and robust appearance, with a stronger jawline and a more pronounced brow. In contrast, the female German Shepherd tends to have a softer, more graceful look, with a narrower face and a more elegant posture. As for the size, the male is taller, bigger, and heavier. This difference in size is not just a matter of height, but also of overall body mass and muscle structure. Male German Shepherds are built to be powerful and sturdy, often used in roles that require strength and endurance. He has a larger head and broader body, which contributes to his imposing presence. The larger head of the male German Shepherd is not just for show. It houses a stronger jaw and more powerful bite, which can be crucial in protection and working roles, while the female is noticeably smaller and lighter. This smaller size can be an advantage in many situations, making the female German Shepherd more agile and easier to handle, especially in confined spaces or when quick movements are required. The size of the male can be intimidating and impressive, often making him a preferred choice for roles that require a strong deterrent presence, such as guard dogs or police work. But the size of the female is useful as well. Her smaller frame allows her to excel in roles that require speed, agility, and precision. Female German Shepherds are often favored in search and rescue operations, where their ability to navigate through tight spaces and their keen sense of smell are invaluable. If you happen to see larger females or a smaller male, these are exceptions. While the general trends hold true, individual dogs can vary significantly. There is always some variation within a breed. Genetics, diet, and exercise all play a role in determining the final size and build of a German Shepherd. As for height, the male is 24 to 26 inches tall, which gives him a commanding presence, whereas the female is 22 to 24 inches. This slight difference in height can be more noticeable in person than it sounds on paper. This is just an average, and individual dogs may vary. Some males may be shorter and some females taller depending on their lineage and upbringing. As for weight, the male can be anywhere from 65 to 120 pounds, making him a solid and powerful animal, while the female is more 50 to 80 pounds. This lighter weight can make the female easier to manage and less taxing on the owner during physical activities. Again, this is just a range, and individual dogs may vary. It's important to consider the specific needs and characteristics of each dog, rather than relying solely on averages. A quick reminder to subscribe. We make dog videos so that you and your family can make the best decision on your next pet. Our goal is to provide you with all the information you need to choose the perfect companion. So when deciding between a male and female German Shepherd, consider what you are looking for in a dog. If size matters to you, then that will make the decision much easier. A larger male might be more suitable for protection and deterrence. If you want a smaller dog, you'll go female. Her smaller size can be more convenient for families or individuals with limited space. If you want big and intimidating, you will go male. His larger size and stronger build can provide a sense of security and confidence. It depends on your preference. There is no right or wrong answer when choosing between a male and female German Shepherd. Inform the breeder of the specific characteristics you are looking for. Be clear about your lifestyle, living situation, and experience with dogs. Be clear about your purpose in buying a German Shepherd, as it can range from police and military all the way to just a family dog. You need to make sure that they understand what you're looking for. A good breeder will be honest about the temperament and suitability of their puppies. If it is feasible, observe male and female German Shepherd puppies playing together. This will give you a glimpse into their personalities. You'll be able to tell a lot more than you think by these puppies playing. Look for a puppy that is playful, curious, and outgoing, but not overly aggressive or shy. If you're planning to breed a German Shepherd, getting a female is an option, but breeding German Shepherds is taken very seriously. This is a big-time dog with a strong history and won't be taken lightly if it's done incorrectly. Breeding dogs is a big responsibility and should not be taken lightly. You can't go wrong with either one. So, there you have it. We've compared and contrasted the male and female German Shepherd across 5 different categories. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your individual circumstances and preferences. Both male and female German Shepherds can make wonderful companions, but it's important to choose the one that's right for you and your lifestyle. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.